Good morning, fellow Ambazonians at home and abroad. This is Kapo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces. This one now an emergency alert for all our people them for the capital city of the Savannah State, Bamenda. There is a flyer being circulated on social media, say they don't declare indefinite, that means say ghost lockdown will no get end for Bamenda from the 27th day for this month, January 2021. Fellow citizens, I don't come for tell una say the governing council and the Ambazonia Defense Forces, they never declare any lockdown. Any lockdown for Bamenda at this time, it be counterproductive. Now time for we, the Ambazonian people them, just like the soldier they don't do them, from Grandpa Bali till Mountain Lions for the Atlantic State and the Black Stars, all the forces them across our national territory, they don't join together for reject these people them for diaspora. We only thing where they bring them for this struggle na scandals and disgrace. These corrupt people them, when them they spread this fake news, will be counterproductive. They own only for shidong for diaspora, send messages for Ground Zero without consulting the people the way them be involved. I want talk for now as the Deputy Defense Chief, the main faction where the day for ground for help the boys, mobilize the boys, and make sure say then they as vanguard for the people their aspiration for independence would then reject this unnecessary burden where they want put them on our people. These corrupt individuals them, they never be able for send a single bullet for any of our soldiers for Ground Zero, let alone for carry out any substantial diplomatic move for help the general public for pursue their aspiration for get independence. I call on the general public for Bamenda for reject this unnecessary lockdown where they come at a time where La Republique du Cameroon they try to punish our traders them so that they go abandon the Independent Day goes down on Monday. This action by this corrupt individual them, they only make them now for help the enemy. If you think say the argument and the debate about your future, it go end only for abroad and for diaspora, my brother, my sister, them for Bamenda, no, it don't come for now. This one no be just an unnecessary debate. Some people they be inconvenient. They go feel say this one are fighting. We need for fight for our life indeed. All man for Bamenda must reject this lockdown and then contact all the generals for Bamenda, all their commanders them, and all them they in one mouth. They ask all the traders them for contact una leader them, the military leader them for Ground Zero for Bamenda, and they go inform una say there is no lockdown. We no go continue for allow these corrupt people them. We only thing we don't give for Ambazonia na scandals upon scandals, corruption upon corruption. For we for attend our independence, we must come together for a purpose, for be effective. Just like they be reject, when I be helpful reject the last one when they be bring them, when I inject confusion in our midst, we need for reject this one. So from this day as I talk for now, no lockdown for Bamenda, no forces not enforce any lockdown. But as the last time when they be do them, even La Republique it be come up for help them because they know say the only way we defeat destroy our revolution and for bring confusion. When they hear all the points we La Republique they raise them against we na points the way na these people they help them for bring them for Ground Zero. So na time for all we for reject them. The only lockdown we go day now actually a ghost town every country Sunday. Apart from that, there is nothing this month for Bamenda as lockdown. Our people they don't suffer a lot. We don't work very hard with them. Our trader them for Bamenda's Commercial Avenue in particular, they don't sacrifice a lot, and we no go ever allow anybody for take them for fool or for ridicule them, and for try for help La Republique du Cameroon for use the lockdown like an antidote for destroy the ghost town because now they are target that. Their target now for destroy the ghost town when a peaceful means for the entire population for show the world say they want separation and independence. No, we no go allow them, and we no go allow them. Make all man continue in business as usual. No man no go disrupt you. No man no go touch you. This struggle now a free will, and we need for demonstrate and say we'll be smart enough for navigate the difficulties them, the pothole them way they for road towards our journey for independence. When I remember the black leg way there for inside Central Market, where they be done put say now he go be the chairman for market people, then for we get shit 87. Now he be the worker spread all this their propaganda for confuse people then for inside Bamenda, so that La Republic go win we, our people then go feel discouraged and they go be disoriented and they go start even go against their own aspiration them by going against the ghost town on Monday. So make una hear very clearly, there shall be no lockdown. No forces in Bamenda shall execute any lockdown, but make una still be vigilant, act smartly as una go about una job. Make una know very well, say the people the way they behind this so-called lockdown, indefinite lockdown for Bamenda, they need to do them because of independence. They need to do them because they like we. Because if they be like we, therefore they support the forces them way they for down. Therefore they campaign as much for push this struggle me go through diplomatically. But every single thing where they don't give for we, na scandal after scandal, corruption after corruption, empower people them, instrumentalize our forces them for become a pain to our own people. We must say no to La Republic and no to anybody where represent the traits of La Republic. Corruption, embezzlement, misappropriation, whatever sort of vices where they bring them for we must all reject them together. So at the tell I say there is no lockdown for inside Bamenda and make all man go about his normal business. The only lockdown, the only ghost town will get them na the country Sunday every Monday. Our people they don't pay enough. And I the one promise our people then say even if we navigate through this period till February, there will be some relaxation of some of the restrictions they will use them as we go to enter inside a new phase for our revolution from February, as we go to launch the stabilization force. We go help our people then for be able to cope with any bad seed where they try to do kidnapping for ransom as a means for discourage our people. They may give up the most important battle for their life, a battle for their dignity, a battle for their survival, a battle to live free from fear from La Republique du Cameroon, their Akili base and terrorist forces them for our land. May God bless una. Una stay in tune. I want to listen for the people the way that they actually make a difference for push forth the aspiration of our nation to become independent. God bless una. Na Capo Daniel, Idi Talk.